Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows 11 Pro or higher and CPU virtualization enabled in BIOS. Turn it on now, then reboot. Once done, open Control Panel, go to Programs, then turn Windows features on or off. Check Hyper-V, Hyper-V Management Tools, and Hyper-V Platform. Make sure to hit OK and allow the system to apply changes. This installs core services. After the restart, you'll have the Hyper-V tools available to continue creating virtual machines. Now create your virtual machine in Hyper-V Manager. Click New, then Virtual Machine, follow the wizard. Choose Generation 2 for UEFI support when installing modern OSes, assign RAM, start with 4096 MB for Windows 11, allocate CPU cores, and create or attach a virtual hard disk with sufficient GB. Once configured, connect the VM to a virtual switch so it has network access. Finally, attach your installation ISO to the DVD drive. This boot the virtual machine and complete the OS installation as you would on real hardware. Install Hyper-V integration services or guest services to improve performance and enable clipboard/file copy. Once the OS is ready, install drivers and enable dynamic memory if needed. Create a checkpoint before big updates to roll back safely. If the VM fails to start, check Windows Event Viewer under Hyper-V Logs. Verify virtualization is still enabled in firmware, and disable other hypervisors that conflict, such as VirtualBox.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.